Hi guys, welcome to Digital Learning. We have created an online interactive Google slide presentation called a choice board, where you will essentially have a choice in the assignments that you complete for our next unit on alcohol, tobacco, and other drugs. This video will give you tips on how to navigate through the choice boards. It is very important that you do not view this presentation in present mode. I also just want to take a second to stress the importance of keeping up with the material. You will receive a grade based on the assignments you complete within the choice board, and this will affect your overall grade for the course. All right, we're going to start off on slide 3 with the directions. As you can see, this assignment is split up into 3 parts: explore, review, and assess. Each one of these components will have its own choice board. You will walk through the choice boards, which will be on slides 3 through 5. You will do these at your own pace. The required material, or the material that you must complete, is in red. You will then get to choose other activities from each section. Each choice board will have the number of required and number of choice activities that you should complete in red at the bottom of the screen. Once you complete an activity or task, you will move the cloud that is on the side of the screen over the section to signify that you are done with the task. You can see an example picture over here on the right. Again, do not preview this in present mode. Okay, if we move to the first choice board, which is the Explore choice board, you can see down here at the bottom in the notes, it says 3 required activities and 2 choice activities. So there are 3 required activities that are in red on this chart. You must complete those activities. Wherever there is font or wording that is in blue or underlined, when you click it, it will take you to either another website, a video, or another presentation, or another slide that is linked. So if I just click this presentation, it's going to open up another Google presentation where I will then see all the information that I need on alcohol. So if you go through the slides here, you're going to review all of this information. It is a good idea if you do take notes. That would be very helpful. Okay, so once you go through the slides on this presentation, you can then go back to your choice board tab, and then it says match vocabulary terms on this slide. Okay, so if you click this slide, slide 7 should pop up. You're going to click that, and it'll take you right to the slide number 7 on this presentation. Okay, the directions here say to drag and drop the vocabulary terms. Okay, so all I would do is click the word, drag the text box to whatever box it belongs to, okay, and then do the following, or do the same thing for the following words. Okay. You will notice on each slide there will be a yellow cloud over here. If you click the cloud, not the text, you don't want to click the text. If you click the cloud, it should take you back to the Explore choice board, which is on slide number 4. If you just click that, it'll take you right back to the choice board. Okay, so the top left corner, I just completed, let's say, that assignment. Over here to the right, you'll see the blue clouds. Again, you're going to click the cloud, and once I'm done with that assignment, I'm going to drag the cloud over that box to signify that I've completed that activity. Okay. Again, you can see there are 3 required activity clouds and there are 2 choice activity clouds. So once you complete all 3 red assignments, you will now have a choice in which 2 assignments you would like to complete for this choice board. Okay, so you can either pick watch the movie 28 Days and complete the reflection questions on this slide. Again, you're going to click the words this slide. Slide number 9 is going to pop up. You'll click it. It will bring you right to slide number 9 on this presentation, and you will have to type in your answer here. Okay, I'm going to fix that. Okay, once you complete this reflection, you can again click the yellow cloud to go back to slide number 4, which is the Explore, and then you would again move that cloud over, signifying that you completed that. Okay, let's just say I Completed this assignment. Okay, so now all my clouds are over the assignments that were required and that I chose. So now I can move on to the next slide. Again, you should have at the top, you can see it says you should have this Explore choice board done by week 1. Okay, so if we move on to slide number 5, over here you can see at the bottom it says 3 required activities. So all 3 of the activities in these boxes are required. You must complete them. This is the review choice board. You can see again 3 required activity clouds off to the side that you would move, drag, and drop over once you complete them. Okay, again, the blue underlined word, you would just click it. It will take you now to this Quizlet website. You just click the link, it opens up another tab, and it's going to bring you to the Quizlet website. Okay, and you can see over here the match and the test. Those will be 2 tabs that you will need to use as well. Okay, and then once you complete that, you can click the word this slide. It'll take you to another slide. This is where you will record evidence from the Quizlet assignment. You will just copy and paste an image here that shows that you completed the assignment. And again, you can click the yellow cloud right here to return back to the review choice board. Okay, so then again, you would move the blue cloud over that assignment and move on to the next one and repeat those steps. Okay, so if we want to move on, we've finished all of the required review boxes on this slide. We can go to the next slide. You can see again at the top up here, it says week 2, you should have this assignment completed, this choice board. So we move on to the assess choice board, which will be again week 3 up here. So you can see down here at the bottom, it says 1 required activity and 1 choice activity. So here is the red activity, the must do activity. This is a link to an alcohol, tobacco, and other drugs quiz that you will take. Okay, you just click the link and it would open up that quiz. And then you have the 2 options over here, either creating a flyer or a video. That's going to be your choice activity. You get to choose which one you want to do. And again, you're going to move the clouds over the assignment once you complete it. Okay, you can see there are a number of different slides and assignments in this particular choice board. There are plenty of options in terms of assignments. I hope you found this video helpful. Please make sure if you have any sort of questions, any sort of technical difficulties, make sure that you reach out through email so that we can fix it as soon as possible. Please be patient. This is something new for all of us. Thanks, guys. Good luck.